Today I am going to cook Baingan Bartha or barbecued eggplant or aubergine in a microwave. Baingan Bartha is a North Indian dish. It is made by roasting a whole brinjal or an aubergine. Today I am going to make this dish entirely in the microwave. I will be cooking the eggplant in the microwave. I will also be roasting tomatoes in the microwave. For the seasoning, I will be frying onions, chilies, and adding some spices like turmeric, masala, and salt to taste. Everything will be done in the microwave. It is done in stages. Let's proceed to the cooking of this dish. Today I am going to show how to make Baingan Bartha or roasted eggplant in the microwave oven. So I've got two large baingans or brinjals or eggplants, purple color. I choose this because it imparts the correct flavor for Baingan Bartha, a roasted flavor. Then I've got two tomatoes. So I'm going to make holes in this baingan or brinjal with a knife so that heat will penetrate into the interior of the baingan. Repeat it on the other one also. Then I can do it for the tomatoes also. Next I am going to brush some oil over the outside of this. I'm taking coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons. You can brush the oil like that. Then I'm going to take a microwave safe plate and place the brinjals and the tomatoes on it. And now I'm going to place it in the microwave and cook it. Place this microwave safe plate on the turntable by itself. Close the microwave lid and choose microwave. By default the timing is 30 seconds. I will increase it to 10 minutes and it is at 900 watts. So I will now press the start. While the brinjals are getting cooked in the microwave, for the base I am going to chop up 2 chilies. Onions have been chopped already. Then I will flavor it with dhania powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and I'll be adding salt to taste. Cooking is over. Let's see if the brinjals are cooked. They seem to have cooked. You can see the shriveling of the skin. The tomatoes are definitely cooked. I will take this out from the oven, peel off the skin, and do the next stage of cooking by sauteing onions and the base, and I'll be adding brinjal and tomatoes to it. So the skin does come off easily. microwave safe bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it, and I'm going to fry this onions, chilies, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. I will cover it with a microwave-safe lid and cook it in the microwave. Put it in the microwave and I'm going to cook it in the Indian recipe model. So Indian recipe vegetables, this is 1. I will increase it to 1.2 for Indian vegetables. It will cook for 8 minutes. Onions have sauteed. There it is. Add it to this bowl of pre-cooked onions. Add the roasted tomato to it, and all the ingredients for the bartha have gone in now. Mix it all up again and finally cook it in the microwave, the Indian combination. She goes back to the microwave and we have to start the program again. So Indian recipe 1, 1.2 and press start. 8 minutes. Beep has sounded on the microwave and it is demanding for the dish to be turned and stirred. So I will stir it again. The food is to be turned. Needs to be stirred. So this Baingan Bartha has been already cooked now, and let's see if it is ready. So this is the Baingan Bartha. Baingan Bartha is ready. I'm going to garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to taste this Baingan Bartha. It's good, it's not very spicy. I've just added 2 chilies. So this Baingan Bartha can be eaten with naans, chapatis, rotis. If you like this video about Baingan Bartha cooked in the microwave, then you might like this video where I made palak paneer in the microwave. Have a look at that. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody you know, and subscribe to my channel AK Venkadachalam. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.